Welcome back. We will continue from here. The mother has A positive blood group, the father has B positive, and the child is A positive. What can be the possibility of genotypes of all three respectively? So because father is B positive and child is A positive, this indicates that father is heterozygous for B and child will also be heterozygous. So look for heterozygous A in the options. This cannot be the genotype of child. This also cannot be. So we have B, D and E, heterozygous A. Then heterozygous B is this one. This is not heterozygous, so rule this thing out. This is heterozygous. And then mother is A positive. So mother can be both homozygous and heterozygous. So the answer is option number B and E, option number 4. This is the answer. So see, it might look like you have to make a Punnett square or something. All these options might look intimidating, but it is not that scary. So when attempting such questions, you have to keep in mind that A and B, these two blood groups can be either homozygous or heterozygous. In this question, the biggest hint was father was B positive. So when you have child which is A positive of a parent who is B positive, this clearly indicates that this parent is heterozygous and has contributed the recessive allele to the child. And the dominating allele is coming from the other parent. The A allele is coming from mother and father has given the recessive I.